why you're burned out, and how to fix it. Have you ever felt completely exhausted even after a day of doing nothing? Do you wake up tired, scroll through your phone, and feel like you have no energy left for anything? If you think you're just lazy or weak, stop right there. Because what you're feeling is not laziness, it's burnout. You're not alone. Millions of people, especially young people, are burning out right now. Social media is filled with perfect lives, endless productivity, success by age 25, and constant pressure to be better. But the reality? Most people are exhausted, anxious, and lost. Let's talk about why this is happening, how to recognize it in yourself, and, most importantly, how to get out of this cycle and find real energy again. Chapter 1. What is burnout? Burnout isn't just feeling tired after a hard week. It's a deep chronic exhaustion that doesn't go away after a single good sleep or a lazy weekend. You feel empty. Even things you used to love now seem pointless. You can't focus, everything annoys you, and you start avoiding friends, hobbies, and even basic responsibilities. Burnout can feel like depression, but it's caused by constant, unending stress, unrealistic expectations, and emotional overload. Your mind and body just can't keep up anymore. Chapter 2. Why are we all burned out? So why is this generation burning out faster than ever? First, we're constantly connected. Social media never sleeps, and neither does the pressure to succeed, to look good, to keep up. You scroll through endless feeds of people traveling, building businesses, showing off their perfect bodies, perfect homes, perfect lives. You compare yourself, even if you don't want to. Second, there's the grind culture, the idea that if you're not hustling, you're wasting your life. No days off, no time for rest. If you stop, you fall behind. Work, study, side hustle, repeat. Third, most of us feel like we're falling behind. Maybe your parents had a house and a career by your age, but you can barely pay rent. Maybe you're working hard, but you're not seeing results. Maybe you're surrounded by people who always seem to be doing better. It's a recipe for constant stress and feeling never good enough. Chapter 3. Signs you're burning out. Let's get real. How do you know it's burnout and not just a bad week? You feel tired no matter how much you sleep. Nothing excites you anymore. Not friends, not hobbies, not even things you loved before. You get irritated or angry for no reason. You avoid calls, messages, even your favorite games or shows. Your mind is foggy. You can't focus. Your body feels heavy and sometimes even gets sick more often. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. You're burned out. Chapter 4. What causes burnout? Burnout happens when you push yourself too hard for too long, especially when you're doing things just to meet other people's expectations. Working or studying nonstop without real breaks. Always saying yes, never saying no. Trying to please everyone. Your parents, your boss, your friends, your followers. Believing you're only valuable if you're productive every second. Never allowing yourself to just be without guilt. Modern life is built to keep you busy and feeling like you're never enough. Chapter 5. How to recover from burnout. Now for the part you really need. How to fix this. Step 1. Accept that it's real. Burnout isn't weakness or a sign you failed. It's your body and mind asking for real rest. Step 2. Disconnect to reconnect. Limit your time on social media. Even a few hours less each day can make a huge difference. Unfollow accounts that make you feel anxious, angry, or like you're falling behind. Step 3. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain you. You can't help everyone. It's okay to protect your energy. Step 4. Rediscover real rest. Rest is not just scrolling your phone. Try walking outside, listening to music, taking a nap, cooking, drawing, reading. Anything that makes you feel alive, not numb. Step 5. Find small joys. You don't have to change your life overnight. Find one small thing each day that brings you even a little bit of happiness or peace. Step 6. Talk about it. You're not alone. Share how you feel with friends, family, or even strangers online. Sometimes just knowing someone else understands can help. Chapter 6. Building a life without burnout. Here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to live up to every expectation. Success is not a race. The most productive thing you can do is take care of your health, mind and body. Start slow. Take real breaks. Forgive yourself for not being a machine. Let go of toxic goals that only make you feel worse. With time, you'll notice your energy returning. You'll laugh more, care less about likes and comments, and finally feel like you're living your own life, not someone else's. Chapter 7. The role of expectations and social pressure. Let's talk about expectations. Maybe your parents, teachers, or even random people on the internet expect you to have it all figured out. But the truth is, nobody really knows what they're doing all the time. Trying to live up to someone else's plan only leads to stress and disappointment. You don't have to meet every expectation to be worthy or happy. Social pressure makes everything harder. Every day you see people posting their achievements, relationships, new purchases, and dream vacations. It feels like everyone is moving forward while you're stuck. But remember, people post their highlights, not their struggles. Real life is messier, and that's okay. Burnout is not the end of your story. It's just a signal that something needs to change. You can rebuild your energy, your joy, and your life step by step. Take care of yourself, not because you have to, but because you deserve it. Start with one small thing today. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. The best version of your life doesn't come from suffering. It comes from balance, rest, and being true to yourself. If this video helped you, leave a comment, share your thoughts, and know that you're part of a community that understands. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are not alone.